Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and also share this video so that you do not miss out whenever I upload a new video. So the scammer who has been using Gogo Maweni's name scamming people has been arrested, you guys. Gogo Maweni revealed that the lady she exposed not only scammed other people but he also defrauded her with producing fake bank proof of payments to her muti shop, and she reportedly was there to collect a muti that she did not pay for, you guys. So Gogo Maweni reported that the lady is now arrested. She shared videos of her taking the criminal lady to jail and opened a criminal case against her. The lady is behind bars as we speak, and this is some of the videos that she shared.